With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, we are given with a question and the question says a force shown in fx graph is applied to 5 kg cart, which then coasts up a ramp as shown. The maximum height Ymax reached by the cart is how much? So what is the amount of energy it has initially? So the total work done, right? Here the total work done from the graph. From graph, we could say that the total work done here is equal to, since this is 50 and this is 5 minus 1. So area under the curve is nothing but work done, that is half into 50 into 5 minus 1. So that is equal to 50 into 4 divided by 2. That is equal to 100 joules. That is the amount of work done here. Now that is the work done, which will get converted into potential energy according to work energy theorem. So work energy theorem says that delta potential energy would be equal to work done. Since initially it is 0, so final potential energy is given by this work done itself. What would be that? That would be mg y max equals 100 joules. So y max here would be equal to 100 divided by g, that is 10, and mass is 5 kg. So this is into 5. So that would be equal to 2 meters. So the maximum height that it has reached, the cart has reached, is equal to 2 meters. Option B would be the answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.